Hello dear friends of the folded sheet, I'm Tevin from Tevin's Origami Instructions, and today I'll show you how to fold your milk cartons or juice boxes into a practical small package like this and save a lot of space in your trash so you don't have to carry it down so often. And you start by opening up the top flaps on the side, and if you have a lid like here, this round white lid, you should open it so the air can escape when you flatten it down like this. And you should maybe put it to the side instead of letting it fall down like I just did. So make it all flat, and at the bottom fold up like this, and it doesn't matter whether your bottom has flaps or not, just like this is fine, and then close it again so it doesn't open up again and the air stays inside. Then take the two wings on the side that are already basically folded and fold them back. Now turn over and fold the whole object in half so you can put the corners in the pockets that we created just before. And this will be a little struggle because there's a lot of layers of carton, but don't worry if you just manage to put it in a little lopsided or just on one side, because after all it's meant to go in the trash bin. That would be already it if there were not some boxes like this that don't have those top flaps. What you have to do there is to rip the top apart like this and just pull diagonally and apart like this. And then after you opened it, be careful to not let juice drop on wherever you're folding. And then just the same process, fold it all flat like this. And then you have the two wings on the side to fold around. Depending on the shape, you might have to fold a little more actively like this. And then just give it a good push on both sides, and then again fold it in half with all those layers, and then shove it into the new pockets you made here, best on the left and the right. And there you go. I hope you find this little trick useful. See you next time. Bye bye.